Welcome to Career Highways and this AI-powered Career Highways webinar. Career Highways has one of the most comprehensive career development tool sets available on the market today. It includes college and career curriculum, a lifetime digital portfolio, work-based learning with millions of jobs, psychometric profiling, career exploration of hundreds of different careers, and then building out your career path, which we call Career Highways. So let's take a look at Career Highways. Career Highways provides three different things for students: career exploration, building out a career plan, which includes portfolio, resume, interest profiler, their career highways, which we're going to see today, adding jobs and eventually programs and courses into their career path. And then the third thing is to find a job. So we're going to start with career exploration. And so you can see we have hundreds of careers, 1,016 to be exact. And you can do search by all kinds of different career criteria. So you can see we have the 16 different career clusters. You can click on any of these and see the pathways that are available for each one of those. You can search on all the pathways, or you can just select a couple of them. You can include multiple clusters and pathways that you want to have in your search. We're going to search through all the different clusters. You can also add a keyword. So say you're interested in just nursing. You can also put in skills and salary range and whether this career has a bright outlook or not. So we're going to search across all careers, all clusters, and with the keyword nurse, and you can see we came up with 14 different careers. So a student can go through and explore, learn a little bit more about each of those different careers, what the education, the salary, the skills, the technology, what cluster and pathway those are in. So this is just a brief snapshot. If you're interested in any of these in particular, like say clinical nurse specialist, I can click on that one. And then that takes me to more details about this career. The clinical nurse specialist, an overview of the job, what tasks it includes, and then a breakdown of the knowledge, the skills, the technology, the abilities that I required for this particular career. If that looks interesting, then I can view that in my career highway. And so this is the career visualization for students of this particular career highway, career path to get to clinical nurse specialist. You can see that here, clinical nurse specialist. This is the career highway visualization that I'm looking at. You can see along the bottom, we have the education that's required. Begins before high school graduation, goes all the way up through master's. And then along the left-hand side, you can see the years of experience and training that will require for me to get there. For this particular career that I'm looking at, you can see it requires a master's and looks like 8+ years of experience. And so as a student, I might start exploring down this career path and explore how I'm going to get there. You know, on that path is a critical care nurse or a med assistant. And now I'm getting down here into the high school or before high school graduation jobs that I might be able to get. I might be a tech worker. I could be a tech worker, a trainee, or apprentice in healthcare. Or maybe there's a PTA job that would be interesting to me. And this will set me on my career path, but it will also help me with the skills that I need in order to ultimately get to this particular career, clinical nurse specialist. So if I look at the skills that I require and the abilities, I only, as a student, have 2 of those. On the technology side, these are all the different software technologies that you might use. As a student, I only have 2 of those as well. And so now the student can kind of get a sense of what kind of skills they need as they're putting together both their high school plan and their post-secondary education opportunities or training or boot camp or certifications that they might need in order to help fill this skills gap. All of the students' career highways that they've explored and that they put into their highways are available in their portfolio, so they can go back and review them. I can look at occupational therapist and see that's a very similar path to the critical care nurse that I was looking at. And then students, as they look at the skills and technology gap, they might look at that and say, I do have some of these skills, I've learned these things. And so they'll go put that into their portfolio and their resume. So you can see here, this digital resume has a summary and about me, but here's the important part, which is the skills manager. And so they can come in and add some of those skills that were required for that particular career, and then go back to their career highway and get a better assessment of where they sit. And you can see the fit level helps them with that as well. So this will help students in their career planning, both in high school and post-secondary or boot camps or certs or other opportunities to get the skills that they need. You can also go into career highways and create career highways, put them into your portfolio as a teacher, go through the exact same experience that students do. Explore careers, build out your career plan, build your career highways, build your portfolio and resume, and then find a job. Just quickly, I'll touch on find a job. So say a student is interested in, a nursing job, they can, again, search by any of the clusters. They can put in a keyword. They can search by company, city, or state. Click on search, and then they can see here are all the different jobs that are available in with that particular keyword. They can also add those into their career highways. There is another webinar for career job exploration and the work-based learning portion of career highways. So again, you as a teacher can go in, create a profile, create a plan, do the interest profiler, and build your career highways. Remember, Career Highways is free for you and your students, so go ahead and share careerhighways.com with all of your students today and start them off on their career exploration. Also, Career Highways is free for life, so this tool will follow students now through the rest of their journey. So middle school, high school, college, career, no charge to the individual to use that throughout their career journey. In addition, included with Career Highways is a college and career exploration course to help students through the career exploration process, building that career plan, finding education and opportunities. And so you can see all the different modules that we have. We were in the Explore Careers. So these are lessons that will help teachers and students go through the process that I just showed you. Explains more about career clusters. There are interactive questionnaires, a student journal. You can see it walks them through the career exploration process that I took you through. So these are lessons that students can use self-directed or teacher-led that will help them through the career and college exploration process and using Career Highways. The course has 8 modules and 24 plus interactive lessons. It also includes teacher resources. Come back here and show you those. So you can see each module has a teacher key and a journal. There's a getting started module as well. It does include onboarding and professional development and support as well. So we encourage you to cross your college and career resources today. You can do that by going to stemfuse.com. It's here, stemfuse.com, and then going to Career Highways and going to Career Highways resource registration and request your Career Highways course and the application as well. And then you're ready to get started on your Career Highways journey and helping students with their career and college exploration. So thank you, and we hope you and your students enjoy using Career Highways.